Okay, this is Bellbird Studio. That's where we stayed for 2 nights. You see, you've got open fireplace and chimney is going. Now let's have a look inside. Sasha. So that's the inside. There's fire roaring. I think I can shut this down now. Big bed, big couch, very cozy. Barbecue for cooking. So here's now the backyard. Here's the rainforest.
Oh my god.
Have you got clothes on? Yeah, okay, very good.
I thought you were going to stay in bed.
No, I woke up, I can't go back to bed. So,
Hello.
hello. How's the water?
It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's really warm. So it's perfect.
Yeah.
So you can you feel cold.
Yeah.
You feel fresh
Yeah,
outside but warm inside. So it's
Okay.
really good.
Okay. Little breakfast setting. And outside open fireplace. Yeah, that's where we get the wood from the rainforest. Okay, setting. Just a shower again. Cleaning area, washing.